Zero Trust, what is it? It's a cybersecurity framework that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, but what does it really mean, and why should we care? All right, people, listen up. Zero Trust is not just a buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about security. Remember when we used to trust everyone who walked through the door just because they had a key? Yeah, me neither, but that's how cybersecurity used to be. Trust everyone on the inside. Not cool, right? Enter Zero Trust. This approach assumes that threats could be anywhere, even inside your network. It's like having a security guard who checks everyone every time. It's like that bouncer at a club, checking IDs even if you look familiar. No one gets a free pass. Zero Trust says, trust no one, not even your own grandma. When it comes to your network, every device, every user, every connection is verified. Everyone and everything needs verification. This means multi-factor authentication, continuous monitoring, and strict access controls. Why is this a big deal? Because cyber threats are evolving, hackers are getting smarter, and attacks are becoming more sophisticated. In today's world, threats can come from anywhere, inside or outside. A disgruntled employee, a compromised device, or even a sophisticated external attack. Think of it like this: you wouldn't leave your front door unlocked all day, right? You'd make sure it's secure, so why treat your digital front door any differently? Zero Trust ensures that your digital assets are just as secure as your physical ones. By implementing Zero Trust, organizations can protect sensitive data, maintain customer trust, and stay ahead of potential threats. It's not just about technology, it's about a mindset shift towards proactive security. Time for a checkup assessing your security posture. Okay, so you want to get with the Zero Trust program. Great. First things first, we need to give your security a good old-fashioned checkup. Think of it like going to the doctor. They got to poke and prod to see what's up, right? A security assessment is exactly that. It helps you understand where your defenses are strong and where they're weaker than a wet paper bag. You'll identify vulnerabilities, threats, and risks. Don't worry, we've all got them. We've all got... Know your crown jewels. These are the assets that, if compromised, could cause the most damage to your organization. Identifying and categorizing critical assets. This process involves a thorough examination of your entire digital landscape. Next up, we need to figure out what matters most. This means understanding which data, applications, and systems are essential to your operations. In other words, what are your crown jewels? These are the assets that, if lost or compromised, would have the most significant impact on your business. We're talking about your most valuable data, applications, and systems. Imagine your house. You have many items, but some are more valuable than others. You've got your comfy couch, your trusty coffee maker, and other everyday items that make your life comfortable. And then you've got your family heirlooms locked away, safe and sound. These are irreplaceable and hold significant value. Your network's the same. Some things are important and some are really, really important. Identifying these critical assets is crucial. Identifying these critical assets helps you focus your Zero Trust efforts where they matter most. By knowing what to protect, you can allocate your resources effectively and ensure the highest level of security for your most valuable assets. Section 4, first things first. Prioritizing improvements for maximum impact. Now that you know what's important, it's time to prioritize. You can't fix everything at once. Unless you're some kind of superhero, in which case, can we be friends? Think of it like fixing up a house. You'd probably fix that leaky roof before you remodeled the bathroom, right? Same goes for security. Focus on the areas that'll give you the biggest bang for your buck. Section 5. Building your fortress brick by brick, embracing a phased approach. Let's face it, implementing Zero Trust is a marathon, not a sprint. You're not going to go from zero to hero overnight, and that's okay. Think of it like renovating your house. You wouldn't tear down all the walls at once, right? You'd tackle it room by room, step by step. That's the beauty of a phased approach. You break down the overwhelming task of Zero Trust into manageable chunks. Start small, gain some wins, and build momentum. Section 6. Keep your eyes on the prize, setting realistic goals for each phase. Now, when you're setting goals for each phase, remember to keep it real. It's easy to get carried away with grand visions, but practicality is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a Fort Knox-level security system. Each phase of your project should have its own set of realistic, achievable goals. Don't try to boil the ocean. Trying to do too much at once can lead to burnout and mistakes. Start with achievable goals that align with your overall zero-trust strategy. Break down your larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. Each small victory gets you closer to that sweet security nirvana. Celebrate these milestones to keep the team motivated and focused. So there you have it, folks. Setting realistic goals is not just about what you want to achieve, but also about how you plan to get there. The basics of zero trust. It's a journey, not a destination. Each step you take should be deliberate and well thought out. It's not about building impenetrable walls, because let's be real, those don't exist. Instead, focus on creating layers of security that work together. It's about being smart, vigilant, and always verifying. Trust but verify should be your mantra. Now go forth and secure those networks. Remember, every small step you take is a step towards a more secure environment.